How to drop to cursor on NineFocus. Data is the key output of every measurement. Let's take a look at a simple approach to get measurement data into PC applications, like Excel. Connect the USB-C port of the meter to a PC with a USB cable. The meter will indicate that it was connected to a PC. Now go to the Peripherals menu and select the Drop to Cursor option in the Export menu. On the PC, open your application of choice and put the cursor where you want the data to be inserted. In our case, we have prepared an Excel file for the data. Make sure your keyboard settings are set to English, US. Now we measure our first sample. Once the measurement is complete, the corresponding data is pasted at the location of your cursor. Make sure that the cursor stays in place until all measurements are completed. Continue until all your desired data is measured. Your data is now available for additional analysis or reporting.